Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you the basic editing skills involved in the report making. Basic editing skills. See, this is the raw report which the students generally prepare. So for that, first and foremost thing is so change the paper size. That is, go to layouts and go to the size and select A4. Select A4. This entire paper will be A4. That is, go to layout, go to size and select A4. This is the entire document will be A4. Next thing is you go to the margins, go to the custom margins and the left should be 3.175 left margin, right margin should be 2.54 which is there, and the top should be 1.905 and bottom should be uh, 1.905. Both should be same, and click here portrait and say OK, and your document will be adjusted as per the settings. Next thing is, so go to home, and the next thing is your document size, that is press Control A. If you press Control A, entire document will be selected. The first thing is you go to the font and select Times New Roman font size and select 12 font size. Then the entire document will be Times New Roman and it will be a 12 font size. Next thing is for chapter should be a left justified. This chapter should be left justified. This is already left justified. Here it is there. If you sometimes it will be at the center. So you just click left justification. It will be left justified. And for this, the font size is 16. Font size is 16, and you can change from uppercase to lowercase by selecting this option. See, this is lowercase, or capitalize each word. This is the one. Another one is their option full uppercase. That is, full thing will be uppercase. Then this name of the chapter should be center justified. It should be center justified. So this name of the chapter, this is introduction. It should be centrally justified, and its font size should be 18. Its font size is 18. This is the 18. Then this this is not justified. This the body of the text body is not justified. So for that, so you select the text and press justify button here. It will be justified. That is, it is justified nicely. It will be justified. Next is to select the line spacing. Line spacing, for selecting the making the line spacing, first you select the text and then go to the line spacing, and here 1.15 is there. You make it 1.5 or 2. 1.5 or 2. This is the line spacing. Then another important command is there here. If this paragraph font size is different, for example, this is different and line spacing is different. So I want to convert this formatting of this. I should apply for this paragraph. Then for that, there is simple command is there in MS Word. Go to the format painter. One paint brush symbol will appear here. Then you select entire paragraph. It will be converted into this format. Next is the subsections. this subsections. See, this is the subsection. So this that is in the chapter. It is a section. It is a section. This is left justified. Then the font size of this should be 16. It should be 16. Then of course it should be bold. Title always should be bold. This will be the section in the chapter. Then this is the section in the chapter. 1.2 is the section in the chapter. Then make it 16. Then subsection should be left. It is also left justified. It is also left justified, and its font size should be 14. Its font size is 14. This is the editing tricks for the document. And if you want to insert the header and footer, so go to insert. This is home. This is the insert. Go to the insert. Go to the header and footer. You can select whatever the headers and footers you want. Header you want. So you can select. So if you select here, this is the header. Then you type your department, your college name or title of the project. You can type here, and just come out of this. You press this into mark. Then you are going to come out of this. Then again go to the insert, select footer, whatever type of footer you want, you can select it. You can select the footer, and you can put the department name, college name as per the your university or VTO standard. You can put it here, and go to the close into mark, and you can close it. Then coming to the page numbers, this page number, then you just press here page number. You can put the page numbers at the top, bottom. So generally we will put the page numbers at the bottom. So then for that there are different styles are there here. You can get a different styles here. So select any one style, and you can have a page number, right? You can put a page number. So you have page numbers here. So for uh, for formatting the page number, go to the insert again, and go to the page number, and format the page number is there here. So you can start here. It is started from 1. If you want to start it from a different number, for example at 20, then you can do it by doing this. Then this will be started at the 20. It is started at the 20. This is the basic uh, editing tricks for report making. For more information regarding the content of the report, what are the chapters should be there, you please visit the VTU website. Link is given in the more section of my channel. Thank you for listening. Thank you, one and all.